Hey guys, welcome back, and today I'm in a garage in Naeem's basement. It's pretty cold, so I'm wearing my coat and Naeem's in a t-shirt.
No, this is my workshop.
It's your workshop?
Let's be clear.
Okay.
Yeah.
So we're behind this pretty big box.
That big!
This is the Axial SCX6. So let's crack this thing open, have a look inside.
Yeah. Steven, would you like silver or green? Make the right choice.
I think I prefer the green one.
Good choice.
This comes with 1200 kV censored brushless motor.
Ooh.
2-speed metal gear transmission.
Nice.
A Spectrum S905 steering servo.
Okay.
There's a Spectrum DX3 2.4 gigahertz DSMR transmitter in there, and it does have lights. So enough of this waffle, let's crack this box open. So here's what's in the box. We got the instruction manual, which I never read.
I want to read that.
And a sticker sheet, which I never use.
I think I might use that.
What else is in there?
All right, here's the controller. DX3, it's a 3-channel controller. Interestingly, this thing has a 5-channel receiver. What are the 2 secret channels for, Stephen, you ask?
I have no idea.
I have no idea either, but we'll find out.
It's a big car. You asked me to bring a car for comparison. So this is a 1/76 scale turbo racing Mini Cooper.
Wow. These wheels, 7 inches diameter, 2 inches thick.
So these wheels are actually licensed BF Goodrich mud terrain tires, and they're very squishy, they're very thick, they're very grippy.
We have some lights up front, which you can't really see. We'll get it turned on, and we have lights in the rear as well. I just think they're decorative. This thing needs some really good crawler bars. We'll get those on later.
You have windshield wipers, side steps, door handles, side mirrors. Let's get this body off and have a look inside.
All right, check that out. This is what we're paying for. So that is a 1200 kV brushless censored motor.
The servo looks surprisingly small for such a big car.
So that is the servo, I think, to change the transmission.
Oh, that's the transmission servo, of course, because it's in the middle of the car.
Right.
Which means this big thing up here is actually the steering servo.
Yeah, but I still think it might be underpowered. That's a 40 kg servo.
There's a relatively big servo horn in here, and it is metal, which is a good thing, because all the crawlers I have always given me a plastic servo horn, which strip out literally in 5 minutes or less.
Yeah. The instruction manual that you threw away.
We should have read that.
But I did look it up online first. It says 2 to 3S. But if you look up the specs of the motor and the ESC, they support 4S.
Okay, so let's plug this thing in and see how it works.
All right.
Okay, so we got the batteries in here. We got batteries in there. So first thing to do is we turn this on. And Naeem, do you want to turn on the car?
I do.
Go for it.
All right. Okay.
What's wrong?
I don't know how to. Wait a sec. Where's the manual?
I threw it out.
Jeez, man. Okay, fine. We can do this. How hard can it be?
I'll look at your rear.
Oh no, there you got my rear again. I think it's supposed to be somewhere in the front, fortunately. Please stay out of my rear. Okay, I found it. Ready?
Okay.
All right.
You have lights.
We have lights. We have steering.
Let's lift it up.
All right.
And there we go.
Nice.
Forward, reverse. So what, Naeem? Let's take this thing out and see how it runs.
Let's go.
Alright guys, so we are finally on site. There's the SCX6 driven by Naeem.
Hey.
We got another Axial Unimog here, driven by the Scrum in disguise. And here's the new guy.
Hello.
Jason. Jason, what are you driving today?
2021 Bronco.
2021 Ford Bronco TRX4. Okay, so we're gonna run down this little rocky ravine and see if does size really matter? Okay, here comes the SCX6. These rocks are pretty big, so this size should help. What's going on there, Naeem? He's stuck on that rock, Naeem, so you don't have cobbles, so, you know, you might be having a bit of trouble there.
Yeah. When it gets stuck, you just use the motor.
So that was pretty easy for a SCX6 1/6 scale. Let's try that with the TRX4. Okay, so 1/10 scale, going down the same route, over the same rocks. Let's see if size really matters. Okay, not an issue for 1/10 scale. That actually did better than the SCX6, I think. Do you agree? And here's the other Axial driven by Luke here. It's another one of our favourites, the big Brock, so let's see the small cars or the big cars does better here. Obviously it's going to be the big car, but we have to find out. So that was our first run of this SCX6. What do you think, Naeem?
Yeah, I like it. I mean, it's just that big motor, those big wheels that just keep going. It bounces over everything. Lots of grip. Really heavy. I mean, with the batteries, this thing is going on like almost 13 kilos. And the other thing is you can put in 2 batteries. So I put in 2 3S. It just runs all day. So you just take it out, you know, spend the day out. Don't have to worry about it.
So what improvements would you make?
Yeah, I felt the lack of portal axles really got it hung up over the rocks.
Yeah.
So probably next version we'll see some portal axles.
Yeah, that was the thing we found. The 1/10 scales, normally they just crawl through the little crevices we found between the rocks, but this thing was actually getting hung up on the rocks because it can't crawl through and it's tried to crawl over. And the portal axles, well, the lack of portal axles was getting stuck on the diff covers. So
yeah, I'm sure next time they'll also put in locking diffs. Like they're just locked right now, which is fine, but it would be cool to have another server in there for the diffs. Yeah.
okay, so that's it from us for this video. We'll see you in the next video. If you like this video, please subscribe, give us a like, and we'll see you again next time.